Yung kala mo talo ka na, meron pa palang mas talo sa'yo. Lahat ng tao may struggle. So, ayun guys, what's up? Nandito tayo ngayon sa sasakyan pa away from seminar. Ang ganda ng message kanina. So actually, this is my second time to attend prayer revival. This is for Philippine Pastoral Care. Parang group po siya ng pastors, caring for pastors, parang gano'n. And you know guys, I was so blessed kanina. Kasi nga, this is what I am praying talaga. Isa sa pinaka-desire ko, even nung nasa Bible College pa lang tayo, na magkaroon ng group for pastors. Although meron ng existing, pero alam niyo yun, yung importance kasi na there's someone you can talk to na parang synonymous of your experiences, your situations, mga gano'n. Na nakaka-refresh kasi yung mga gano'ng bagay. Especially pag diretso tayo sa mga ministries natin, nakaka-burn out kaya yung yung ikaw na lang mag-isa palagi. Or I mean, sa'yo lang lagi kumukuha ang tao ng lakas ng loob. Parang gano'n. I don't know if you get my point, pero during my networking moments, meron doong isang quotation na sinabi niya na when you're up, go down. When you're down, go up. So it's like, it was saying na pag masaya ka, pag powerful ka, pag blessed ka, pag punong-puno ka ng gospel, or I mean, yung word ng Lord talagang alam mo, nag-uumapaw sa'yo, parang you have to share it down. So i-share mo yun, yung knowledge mo, yung wisdom mo, yung mga learnings mo from reading the Bible, or yung experience mo, yung testimonies mo. That will yung up mo na yun yung makakapag-encourage sa iba. Yun. So yun yung when you're up, go down. But when you're down, go up. So ibig sabihin, pag ikaw leader ka na, or you're parang tawag dito, meron ka ng downwards or down people. Hindi yung down na pinapababa. I mean is, parang may people na naniniwala sa'yo. So, you go up. Diba? So, when you're down, ibig sabihin, when you're sad, when you're not feeling well, or sabihin na lang natin, you feel discouraged, you should go up. Wag down. Kasi down ka na, hindi mo pwedeng bigay pa baba yun. And, alam nyo, it makes sense. Kasi, for example, ikaw yung tinitingala nila. Then, ikaw nag-encourage sa kanila, ikaw yung nag-empower sa kanila, tapos biglang ikaw mismo hindi mo pala kaya, i-share mo pa sa kanila. So, you should never go down when you're down. You should go up. So, what are your ups? Siyempre, number one doon talaga, pinaka-superior natin, si God. So, lalapit tayo talaga sa Lord. Pero are there any other up na maaaring maging close sa atin? And, ayun yun yung mga mentors natin. Yun yung mga Bible teachers natin during our Bible college or mga schooling natin, kahit na hindi pang church, yung mga mentors natin sa school. So they're the one who can understand, who can parang give better suggestions. Kasi parang naubusan na tayo ng ng energy, kumbaga ubusan yung power natin to resolve, power to, or yung wisdom natin, kasi nagawa mo na lahat ng alam mo. You need to have mentors talaga. Kaya ayun guys, so I really appreciate magkaroon ng mga ganitong gawain. Yung pastors conference or pastoral care ministry. Kasi nga, walang ibang mag-encourage sa mga ministers kundi yung mga maaaring mentors nila or father of faith nila. Yung napakalaga sa bawat tao na meron silang mga mentors, meron silang mga higher ups. Hindi kasi tayo yung pinaka-up lagi. So, with that sense, we can also say na yung humility within us, na hindi lahat ng bagay kaya natin. Meron nga akong yung isang co-teacher ko na sabi daw ng anak niya na dumating na siya sa point na kahit ano palang galing natin, kahit na anong dunong natin sa isang bagay, there's always someone greater than us. Kaya nga in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6, diba? Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. So, let us not lean on our understanding. Kasi sometimes, akala natin, kaya na natin lahat. Kanina, talaga ako sa message na hindi naiyak ako. Na, let us cast our worries, let us cast our burdens unto the Lord. Kasi at the end of the day, it's not us who are fighting for our life. It's God. And Jesus already did it. Parang, tapos na, napagtagumpayan na. And we just have to let it be, let God. Meron tayong mga bagay na hindi makontrol. meron tayong mga bagay na kalakasan natin, meron tayong mga weaknesses, meron tayong limitations. Sometimes people can judge us with our limitations, with our iniquities, with our sins, di ba? And people can easily say something against us. And that is not really helpful sa atin emotionally. Meron talagang masasabi yung tao sa atin. And even tayo mismo sa sarili natin, di ba? Sometimes we are judging our own selves. So, my point here is, tayo nga mismo, di ba? Nilalait minsan natin sarili natin, di natin kaya, parang ang pangit natin, physically, emotionally, tayo mismo binapabigat na natin sarili natin. So, ibig sabihin, kung yung ibang tao, merong masasabi. Ikaw nga, may nasasabi ka sa sarili. But, sabi nga, yung buhay, yun talaga. We are not perfect. We have limitations. And in those limitations, gamitin natin yun na actually pwede natin maging asset na yun yung maging natin, parang motivation natin to do something more or to do something better or parang hanapin mo yung forte mo, parang gano'n. So ayun guys, natutuwa lang talaga ako kanina. Alam nyo, sometimes kahit na napaka-strong with other people, like they see you as, oh, itong taong to, very strong na to, like emotionally, mentally, alam mo yun, kaya-kaya niya lahat. But this is a reminder for everyone that we are vulnerable sa anumang kasalanan. We are vulnerable to sin, we are vulnerable to do mistake, we are vulnerable sa madami bagay. If you guys have merong mga invitations sa inyo for seminars, mga trainings, mga fellowship, alam nyo, napaka-importante yun guys, kasi it will really strengthen, especially pag kayo mga ministers and church leaders natin. Napaka-importante, promise, kasi pag ubos ka na, meron pa palang mas ubos sa'yo. Yung kala mo talo ka na, meron pa palang mas talo sa'yo. Yung alam mong ikaw na yung pinaka-weak, meron pa palang mas weak sa'yo. And this is not to boast yourself sa kanila, pero for you to know that God is working sa buhay nila. How could God not work in your life too? Kumikilos nga si Lord sa kanila lahat ng tao may struggles. Kaya, mas maging maunawaan tayo. Kasi we have all questions in life.